Hello, Reverend Tony Jackson and Unity of Richmond. I'm so excited to be with you. On Sunday, July 22nd, I'm Dr. Brenda Wade, better known as the Modern Love Doctor. Some of you may know my work from the Dr. Oz Show or the Today Show, any of the many television appearances I've done. But what you may not know is that I am a born and bred member of the Unity community. And it means so much to me when I have the opportunity to speak at a Unity church. Because of Unity, I am who I am today. I went from being the most depressed, unhappy person you can imagine, even after lots of therapy, until I found this deep spiritual well that we know as the Unity Church. So, in that spirit, I'll be joining you to talk about invisible wounds and how spiritual work can be the most profound solution to those invisible wounds. And believe me, I know personally exactly what that means. So I'll see you Sunday, July 22nd, and be sure you plan to stay after the service for an afternoon intensive workshop with me on invisible wounds. Until then, blessings.